Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this short ribs Penang curry recipe. This is absolutely amazing and it is mouth-watering and superb. Alright, this is nothing short of spectacular. I actually had this over the holidays at the Thai Villa in New York. It is amazingly delicious. I mean, it's a little bit on the pricey side, but man, I just had to come home and make this recipe. I will go so far to say that this one is even better. So stay tuned. So here are some of the ingredients. I would have washed my ribs. Now, this is usually made with short ribs. I do not have that, so I'm going to use muffin ribs. So there I am seasoning my meat. Not to worry, all the seasoning that I'm using here will be in the description box. All right, and the green seasoning, if you do not have that, that is just fine. All right, I'll leave the link if you want to know how to make that. Will also be in the description box. So I'm preparing this ahead of time. So this is the next day, and this is what my ribs looks like. And these are the rest of the ingredients. So I will be cutting my ribs in half because I do not have a pot that long. All right. Again, you can use the short ribs, which the recipe called for, but I use what I have. And it is nothing short of spectacular. Look at that meat, well seasoned. I preheated my pot and I am going to sear my ribs on both sides. Then I'll remove and set aside. The burn bits at the bottom of the pot, now that is your flavoring. You do not want to wash that out. All right, you're going to lower your stove here real low, and then you're going to add your onions and your curry leaves. And the important ingredient here for me for the flavor is your lemongrass. And you're going to add your ginger and garlic. Saute this for about a minute or two on really low heat. Go in with your carrots. Now you're going to also add some flour. Cook this for about a minute. It smells absolutely amazing. To deglaze our pot, we are going to add some red cooking wine and of course some beef stock. Bring all that flavor back into the pot. Cook that for about 15 minutes. Then you're going to add your ribs in here. Pour everything in there. All right, stir that up, taste it, adjust it if you need to, because we are going to cover and cook for about an hour. And this is what it looks like after an hour. Now you can remove the ribs here and you can do the sauce. So what I did is add the cream directly to the pot. Stir that up, and this added the flavoring, the richness. Absolutely delicious, guys. I can't wait for y'all to try this one. So I poured that in my Pyrex dish and I just garnished with some green onions. And this was eaten with some sticky rice, some asparagus, and some peppers. So first you're going to add a little bit of the coconut cream down to a plate. Then add some of the asparagus. I know I overkill on the asparagus because I love them. All right, you don't have to. Then you're going to add your ribs here. Perfect. Guys, this was nothing short of spectacular. The flavor. Then you're gonna add some of the gravy. Now this was also eaten with that sticky rice, as I mentioned. I did not do a video for that rice, but I will soon. If you guys are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, like, share, and a comment on this video. If you ever had that recipe, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.